Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. Landlords, Umkhokha The Curse. Can we start MaBusi's? Because Velenji, she's the one that gives us heart palpitations, right? MaBusi is sleepwalking, right? And then wants to do the unthinkable because the voices are calling her. And she was waken up by her child's cry. I think this child must cry like nobody's business. So nje MaBusi does not do the sleepwalking anymore. Like, this child's job is to cry. Can we just write to Umkhokha and say, the child's job on this earth is to cry, right? And while MaBusi is sleepwalking, Uzodwa has a dream, right? And then the father appears to her in her dreams. Buza, ubaba kathi ulele wena, uyakhona wena, don't ingubo, uyandendeza, kunokuthi uthole isikhwama, right? You finding this khwama is so important for your daughter's life. So you shouldn't be sleeping. Sleep should be your last thing, your last resort. Hayi ugirl nangu uthukile uyavuka. Uzamxolo ngale naye. Uphupha akhuluma nomafu about the whole thing ngalesikhathi baku vacation, and he also wakes up scared ukuthi hey, what could be happening? They both don't know ukuthi what they are dreaming about is vele what MaBusi is doing. Guys, vele njengoba ngisho ke umakhala ayakhala umntwana hey ubona ukuthi frustration nanga asuke kuMaBusi aye kuntomba asuke kuntomba ekuba okay, that part we didn't see. You know I'm putting the spice almost, but nonetheless akhale ugabisile aze nebhodlela phela athi phela nalibhodlela liyasebenza. But I liked how everyone was like panicking, bakhohliwe laba abanye ukuthi nabo bakhe baba nabantwana, because now a mere child is crying. I was like, yeah, no, parenthood. But ke I love how they assisted bangena ngapha nangapha, even though uGabi girl uqoshiwe. Kuyiwe esontweni ke ku-announce ukuthi uMaBusi seka nomntwana ujatshuliwe, it's a baby boy, our next mkhululi, everybody is happy. Then after the church, somebody nje osiyayo lapha esontweni called uPhakathwayo and said to Phakathwayo, Umkhokha manje uzogadla and uzogadla in ways that you guys have never seen before. Angisho bonke abazi ukuthi uMaBusi u-attemptile vele ukuthi alandele Umkhokha. All right, with that said, guys, as in the storyline is so sad. It's just making me sad. I don't think I'm going to be able to watch until maybe, I don't know, it's in Lula. But yeah, because I'm already here, uyabuya uzamxolo athi uzoxoxela uMaBusi ukuthi what happened at church. Then while he's still narrating, the child cries and uMaBusi is so short-tempered. She's angry, she's mad, and everybody is like, could it be because of the baby's crying so much? Kanti they don't know ukuthi Umkhokha is back. And now that Umkhokha is back, something needs to happen. Yabona engizwe ubuhlungu uPhakathwayo masakathi khuluma noMamzobe athi Umkhokha uziveze ekamereni athi like, come let us fight man to man. Umkhokha, why are you coming ngama angel yo? It's so sad for a man to see your children dying one by one, and you know that you have nothing, you have like nothing under your control. You're just controlled by this thing that you don't know what it is, and the family is just so kahle. This storyline nje cishe nje yaba is storyline saka Job. Like, this is Job from the Bible, literally. With that said ke uMaBusi decide ukubhalela umntwana wakhe incwadi, a goodbye letter to say mom does not have enough time in this world and mom does not know when she's going to leave. Guys, my tears. I've never been stressed so. Story. Yeah, from TV. But I don't know if MaBusi is going to come back. I don't know if these are the last days of MaBusi or what's going to happen. But what I know is that perhaps Unobuntu's running away will be the one that saves her from Umkhokha lo. And Umkhokha will now only face uMaBusi no Gabisile. More so because Umzobe has already threatened Uzodwa to say, if you do not find isikhwama uMaBusi is next. Oh, no, we're not ready. We are not ready. Like, yo, I know. Tell me what you think. This is your girl, Disability. I love you. Peace. Bye.